get some nice,
You have clean your wounds and they seem to be healing. Or, reminders, what happened to me?
You have a bad disease, but you will recover. We will bring you fresh food in a moment.
Thank you, nurse. I have seen so many of my friends dying here. I am in great pain. Am I going to die too?
We hope not. We will do what we can to help you.
Okay. The nurse will kneel. Ano kayo? You tend to kneel and then you check all of the wounds of the soldiers. And then after that,
sa akin na talagang tayo.
ang gagawin nyo yung
Pabalik-balik lang.
tapos biglang mag-uusap kayo dalawa.
Oh, dahil ganon. Ikaw na naman? Ikaw na naman. O, ba't tayo
Stop tayo na.
Hindi mag-stop.
That awful woman has complaining us again.
What awful woman, sir.
Nightingale, Florence Nightingale. She said that we are not doing our job properly.
Great gods, we will lose our jobs. Who does she think she is? She is just a woman. She's not belong here.
She reported us in the Time newspaper. The whole Britain knows this hospital.
What's going to happen, sir?
They're going to send medicine, supplies, blankets, beds, medicine and more, nurses and doctors.
Okay, sir. Feel better today. So do I. Last night I saw you.
That was no angel. That was Florence Nightingale, the lady with the lump. And then the curtain closes. Okay, nabasa na the curtain closes. Diretso na dun sa Now, the narrator, okay, babasahin